Hi, thanks for joining me today. If you want to buy this product or take advantage of any of the freebies or discounts that I found for you, click one of the links in the description. Thanks for your support. Now let's get started. We're about to dive into a new microphone that we just got today. It is a Paladou 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone, and it says that it's great for vlogging, YouTube videos, GoPro adventures, filmmaking interviews, gaming, webinars, podcasts, Skype, and so much more. It says that it works on laptops, iPads, iPhones, Androids, cameras, and of course video. All right, so first thing that I see that I actually really like is it comes in a carrying case. We've actually gotten some other lavalier microphones in the past that just come with a big jumble of wires, so that's pretty cool. Feels like a neoprene plastic case. Looks like it has a semi-water resistant zipper on there. So let's open it up and see. All right, so it's got our microphone here with our 3.5mm plug. It's got the microphone. It's got a completely metal clip. The whole thing is metal. Looks like it is riveted 3 times into the microphone there. All right, it's got a metal mesh on the top. And then in here we've got a couple of the windscreen covers. And looks like we've got an extension connector there. So we've got the original cord with the microphone. It also comes with an extra long cable for the microphone for some of those videos that you are doing that are kind of far away. And what I love is that they both come with straps that are like a rubber strap, and if you see here, it pops out like that. So it's pretty easy to put back on, just like this. It stretches with the rubber, reconnects, and you're ready for your close-up or your far away shoots. And one thing that I like is it's actually connected to the wire, so you don't ever lose your strap. So it's always easy to put on. A lot of times when you take off your strap, you'll misplace it, you can't find it. This one here is actually connected to the wire, so that's pretty cool. First cord's about 4 feet. Second cord is about 6 feet, so about 10 feet in total length. Here's the inside shot of me using the microphone. Hopefully the sound is not distorted while you're hearing me speak. Here is me speaking outside. Hopefully the sound quality is good for you while I'm speaking to you outside. Here I'm saying very interesting things while I'm far away with the extension cable. Hopefully the sound is clear. Now, I don't usually get excited about instruction manuals, but this has got to be the most in-depth instruction manual I've ever seen for a microphone or almost any other product. So let's dive into it real quick. So it's got a user's guide, tells you how to basically use it, which is a no-brainer. Tells you about the microphone adapter for the 3-pin or the 4-pin. And then it proceeds to tell you how to record audio. We've got iPhone users, Android users, and it even has like places to download special apps. You can download a camera app that allows you to specifically focus on the microphone. Tells you how to get the best audio. They have an instructional video. How to remove hum, hiss, or noise from your audio. Instructional video. How to remove static from audio recordings using Audacity. How to remove background noise, like super in-depth. I don't think I've ever seen an instruction manual so in-depth. Remove white noise, hiss, static, and background noise with Final Cut Pro. How to edit your audio on Android and improve your audio for YouTube videos. Noise reduction apps that are great to have as part of your iPhone, video, denoise, and audio flux. If you have questions, they have helpful information. It's crazy. Super in-depth. I'm definitely going to have to dive into this more. All in all, I really like the package, how it comes, where it comes with a carrying case. It's pretty heavy duty. I like the feel of the cable. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light. I have been excited about the sound quality, especially for the price. It's a pretty good deal. So hopefully this in-depth review was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.